How to fix YouTube something went wrong problem. In order to fix this issue, first thing first, head over to your application YouTube. Simply tap and hold the app. Different features will pop up. Click on Remove App and then click on Delete App. Once you have deleted, reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. If not, head over to Settings. Move into General. And then head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application YouTube and then move into it. Tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It should also fix the issue that you have been facing on YouTube, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.